Hi, this is Dan with Feldmann Imports, and today we have a 2012 Honda Crosstour EXL. This comes in a blue finish with a black interior. Sunroof. Got our Honda Crosstour 4-wheel drive badging, trunk, rear seats, we do have memory seats here, driver door controls, driver seat controls, driver seat, steering wheel, mileage on this vehicle is 117,340. We've got a turnkey ignition. This does have the Honda navigation system and radio, as well as a backup camera. And climate controls here. Get your Honda shifter and center console. And if you'd like to see any more photos or get any more information about this vehicle or any of our others, just see our website, feldmannimports.com.